NEGBINOMDIST. NEGBINOMDIST calculates the probability of drawing X failures before R successes given a probability of P, success P in independent trials. In this video, we'll generate the dataset of NEGBINOMDIST where the values of R, success R, will range from the following: from the list, data validation, and we'll copy this, enter. So our R will have these values to choose from. And the probability of success, P, again, we have data validation from the list of items, and we choose these values 0.25, zero point 0.5, and 0.75 of probability of success. And we have three values to choose from. Now we use array formula to generate the NEGBINOMDIST. Array formula, NEGBINOMDIST of the X values, where the value of successes are, and the probability of success P. Enter. And we'll assign, let's say, 1 for the success, and to assign zero point 0.5 probability of success. You can also use 20, 30. You can have 25. So next we'll use the COMBINA as an alternative to generate the same data set. We used in the previous video, we used the combine. This time we'll use the COMBINA. So array formula, COMBINA of the X values plus 1, comma, R minus 1, comma. For now, we'll generate that. And next, we factor in P to the power R. So times P to the power R. And the last, times 1 minus P to the power X times 1 minus P to the power X. So they're on the same line. So the red line covers the blue line. So we can change this. We can make some adjustment. Let's say 0.5%. So this completes the use of COMBINA, array formula, and data validation in generating the dataset of negative binomial distribution or NEGBINOMDIST.